let's see how to fix you can't download design in your Canva. So, if you're having trouble downloading your design from Canva, just try following these steps. So first, you just have to troubleshoot your internet connection and make sure it is stable, or try refreshing your browser or reconnecting to the Wi-Fi. Also, you can just clear browser cache and cookies because sometimes stored data can interfere with downloads. So another method that you may encounter is, for example, like this, I will try to download it. I have this design. So when I downloaded it, it says failed. And here's the Canva explanation, which is premium images can't be exported on their own. So you just have to add some elements for it to export or download. So you just have to go to elements, put this circle element, and then make it smaller, and go to the positions, which is right here, and then make it to the back. And now you have two elements, which is the circle at the back and this image. So you can now download it by clicking the share button again and proceeding to download, and simply click the download button and make sure that your file type is in PNG. And then it is now downloading. So that's how you fix you can't download a design in Canva. See you soon.